Hello guys, welcome back again to Sami Photography. In today's video I'm going to show you how to whiten teeth in Photoshop in just 2 to 3 minutes. Stick around as I drive you into this, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to our channel and like our videos so that YouTube push them too far. So the first thing, we are going to come and duplicate this layer by dragging it into this plus icon. So after that, we are going to come to adjustment, then come to hue and saturation. So drag all away this saturation bar to around 80, as you can see. So after that, we are going to mask our image. As you can see, the saturation is removed in our image. So just we want to focus on the teeth. So after that, come and mask our image by pressing this icon and press Ctrl I. So after that, make sure that these colors are checked. The background color, make sure that the black is down and the white is up, because we have here black. So after that, get our brush and make sure it's a soft round brush, and the hardness must be at around 0%. So after that, come and start brushing our teeth. Start brushing on this yellowish teeth to remove. As you can see, the yellow is changing into white. So far you can see our before and after, our before and after, our before and after. So after that, come again to this icon and press here. So come to lightness and drag away to purely whiten this teeth. As you can see, when I drag it backwards, it's black. Then when I drag it forward, the whiteness increases, as you can see. So I think 22 is okay. Now you can see our before and after, our before and after, our before and after. That's it for today. Thank you for watching Sami Photography, and please subscribe to our channel and please like our videos. See you in the next video. Bye bye.